Unit 9, Mixed Review, number 6. The table shows x values and y values for a number pattern. What kind of pattern is shown in the table? Circle the correct choice for each blank. So first thing we need to do is figure out our pattern. And remember, our pattern always goes from x to y. We're trying to figure out what do you do to the x to get the y. So how does a 3 become a 24? Well, there could be times 8 or plus 21. And the way we decide which one is correct is to check it further down the line. So is 5 times 8 equal to 40? Yes. And 5 plus 21, 21 plus 5 is 26, not 40. So we're not adding 21, we are multiplying times 8. And I can keep checking. 8 times 8 is 64, and 12 times 8 is 96. So definitely multiplying times 8, which makes, for our first blank, the pattern is multiplicative because the y values are 8 times, that goes right along with our times 8, we figured out, the corresponding x value. So multiplicative and 8 times.